Hey everybody, JJ Cagle here. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can record your screen in iOS 14. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to Settings. We're going to want to go to Control Center. We're going to want to make sure the screen recording is enabled as a Control Center button. And if that's enabled, you are set to go. So we can go to our Control Center and click on it. And if you're not already recording your screen, it will then count down 3, 2, 1, and then it will start your screen recording. And then when you are done, you can hit it again and stop the screen recording. Now let's say you want to also record microphone with your screen recording. Well, to do that, we can go ahead and long press on that screen recording icon, and then we can see at the bottom here, microphone off. We could tap that and then the microphone will be on, and if we screen record, it will also record the microphone. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. Please subscribe.